After years of speculation and rumors, Nintendo has finally unveiled the successor to the beloved Switch, officially naming it the Nintendo Switch 2. While the brief reveal trailer didn't provide detailed hardware specifications, several leaks have shed light on what we can expect from this new handheld hybrid console. The first noticeable change in the design of the Switch 2 is its larger screen. While the exact size wasn't confirmed in the trailer, leaks suggest the new screen will measure around 8 inches. A comparison image reveals the size difference between the original Nintendo Switch and the Switch 2. Additionally, the Switch 2 includes a second USB-C port on top, alongside the one on the bottom for charging. The original Switch didn't support display output without a dock or external dongle, so there's hope that this new port will enable display output, similar to how the Steam Deck functions. In terms of controllers, the Switch 2 moves away from the dual-colored design that made the original Joy-Cons so customizable. Instead, the new Joy-Cons have a more unified black or dark gray color, with only subtle accent details around the joysticks and inside the Joy-Con docking mechanism. The new Joy-Con controllers also feature a slightly different connection method. Instead of sliding onto rails, the Joy-Cons connect by simply pushing into the console's body. Leaks suggest that Nintendo has implemented a new electromagnetic mechanism to secure the controllers. The updated kickstand is another significant design change. It now runs along the entire back of the console, similar to the design found on the Switch OLED model, but with a shallower and more handle-like look. This updated kickstand will likely provide better stability when using the Switch 2. In tabletop mode, the headphone jack is still present, which is a relief for many users who prefer wired audio. The leaked images of the Switch 2's dock are consistent with the design shown in the trailer. The dock now has a more compact design, with rounded corners on the top. The previous iteration of the dock, released with the Switch OLED, included a built-in Ethernet port, though it remains unclear if the Switch 2's dock will feature any new additions. At the moment, the only confirmed new game for the Switch 2 is a new Mario Kart title. However, the name of the game was not revealed in the trailer. Fans have also noticed a new Donkey Kong model that appears alongside the trailer, sparking further speculation about potential new titles or features for the console. In addition to the reveal, Nintendo announced the Switch 2 Experience, a public event where fans can get hands-on with the new device in cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Dallas. Ticket registration for the event will open on January 17th, and the first experience will take place in New York from April 4th to 6th, just days after the April 2nd release date mentioned in the trailer. The price is expected to be between $399 and $499. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.